What's up everyone? So, ayun, kunwari kunwari meta glasses to. So anyway, testing natin. Order to ni Sir Asi galing pa ng Hong Kong. So, lapag ko lang muna yung phone. Yan. So, this is the VFC. VFC Mark 17 or Scar H. Napakagandang unit. Hard kick, of course, being a VFC. Laging hard kick. Tapos, yan. In tan version. Meron din black niyan. Pero, mas common ang tan. Mas more realistic ang tan. Kasi, yun ang lagi natin nakikita when it comes to scars. And then, it uses an SR25 magazine. So, what you see in a SR25 magazine, or sa M110, yun din ang gamit. Slightly different. Meron lang siya nung base plate. So, yun yung distinct sa kanya, sa Scar H. Meron siyang base plate. And then, tabi muna natin yung boxes, sir. We don't need that. Okay, so, the gun is almost fully ambidextrous. So, when I say almost, kasi yung charging handle niya, hindi siya ambidextrous, pero you can interchange it. Pwede mo ilipat sa other side, sa right side. And then, bolt release mo, eto, wala sa kabila. And then, kaya siya almost kasi yung magazine release mo, meron sa left and meron din sa right. And then your fire control. So, safe, semi-auto, working on all sides. Disclaimer or konting note. So, pagka ang GBBR mo, it's not supposed to go on safe pag hindi siya nakakasa. So, pag nasa-safe mo siya, indicating yon or indicator yon na it could possibly be wear off na yung selector mo, yung pinaka knob niyan, baka palitin na or pudpud na. So, nangyayari kasi pag pinipilit nilang i-safe ng hindi nakakasa. Yan. So, ganyan din design ang GBB, ganyan din naman sa tunay, same lang. So, hanggat hindi siya nakakasa, hindi mo siya malalagay sa safe. So, hanggat maaari, huwag mong ilalagay sa safe. Huwag mo ipipilit kasi may masisira sa loob. So, this one kasi is brand new. So, as you can see, pag kinasa natin, tsaka ko siya may ilalagay sa safe. Fire. Yan. And then again, you have your ambidextrous selector. And then, a side folding stock. Side folded stock. And then, extendable yung kanyang stock. So, kagandahan ng gun na to, this is very highly modular. And then you have your chick riser. Let's say meron kang mataas na scope, you can utilize the chick riser. It has two positions. So, this is the first one, and then mid one, and then the high. So, na-adjust mo siya. And then, syempre, napo-fold. Yun, being a gas blowback, napakaganda rin yung kanyang recoil. So, sir, isa sa mga question dito, nasaan ang hop adjustment? So, unlike nung mga typical na M4 na nandito sa gas block ang adjustment, ito, tool na lang to. This is just a tool for adjusting your hop here, underneath. So, suksok mo siya. Yan, tapos twist. Okay, that's where you adjust your hop. Dito, sa maliit na screw, hindi ito. Ito yung pangtanggal ng rail. So, I think that's it. And then, yun. Ang hindi ko na lang ata nabanggit sa inyo is, it also has a folding iron sights. So, kita naman. So, meron siyang folding irons, rear iron sight, and then yung front mo. And then, yun. Again, as mentioned, as being a VFC unit, so, disable lang natin, meron siyang pang disable ng bala or this pang dry fire. So, pagka gusto mo siya iputok ng walang bala, na nagagalaw mo. So, you can just switch this, pull back. Pero, mas madali kung ipupush down mo tong tab. Push down the tab, tsaka mo siya i-pull back. There you have it. So, ngayon, naka-dry fire mode to. Pero, may konting hindi perfect ang gawa ni VFC. So, dahil minsan, dahil malakas ang recoil, nawawala yan sa pwesto niya. Minsan umaabante, maglalak siya pagka walang bala. So, what you're gonna do, press mo lang to. Pero better din kung hindi mo pindutin to. So, isa yun sa mga para maalagaan mo yung unit mo. So, testing natin. I'll show you how it works, tapos kung ay yung binabanggit ko kanina. So, again, check natin muna. Safety first. Wala naka-chamber. Okay, so firing. Semi-auto. So, as you can see, sobrang lakas talaga ng recoil niya. And then, full auto. There you have it. So, yung binabanggit ko kanina, pag naka-on or naka-active yung bolt lock niya, magde-lock siya when empty. Sorry. Yan, like so. So, magde-lock siya when empty. So, what you're gonna do is, instead of pressing this, para tumagal yung buhay ng gun mo, remove mo si magazine, and then, charge mo si handle. When you charge the handle, it will automatically go forward, tapos you're ready to shoot. So, that's about it. I-pack ko na to, tapos ipapadala ko na dito para kay Sir. Thank you very much po kay Sir Azzy, and then first ever natin na minarkingan ng biohazard as requested niya. Very proud owner. So, thank you very much, Sir Azzy. I hope to see you again. I-upgrade pa natin to. So, marami-raming setup pa mangyayari dito. There you have it. Laser engraved na biohazard markings. Thank you very much po.